Okay, here is the manual button test. So when we have it in off, then the buttons work. They don't do anything, but the lights go off when you push them. And in automatic mode, the glue and water do nothing. Go into manual mode, then the glue and water work. And then also, depending on which direction we have the conveyor belt, when we push the start, it moves. There's it moving in reverse. Let go of the start button, it slows down. And now I flip it forward. Press start. That's the manual function. In the middle, no motion. Over on the other console, these two buttons were not wired for lights, so there's no way to control them. So it would be nice to add outputs and lights for those since we have them. These ones, same thing, and if you're set up in manual mode over there, then you can also jog it by pressing and holding the start button there. That's it for the whole manual mode.